Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can paint in KRITA. This is the digital art software. You can get it for free from a KRITA official website. So 25 years of KRITA. So you can double click to open this app. And here we go. So this is for beginner. You can try to start by click new image, for example, and just try to set your canvas or image size, for example A4, 600 ppi, and click to create. And here we go. So you can start creating or start drawing. For example, let's start with the simple drawing here, and here let's draw an image. Here we go. And to start painting, you have to choose the brush preset here. So you can click paint, and this is the brush type that you want to try one by one. So here for the first one, this is the basic, and let's jump into the fifth. This is the large smooth bristles. And maybe you want to try this white bristles. Let's click this white bristles, and here we go. You can choose the color here in the color selector, and this, for example, and here we go. Now you can start drawing. Oh, sorry, you have to change to freehand brush tool. So if you mess up, just Ctrl Z. If you don't satisfy with this, or maybe you wanna create a bigger, this is the eraser, and here you can change the brush. For example, this one. So you can try to use one by one by your own preferences. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.